You know what I'm saying, man? All the way from Detroit, man, Jackson, Mississippi. You know what I'm saying? Ghetto boys everywhere, they get out the mud, motherfucker. Yeah. I need me a man bag, this shit won't even fit in my pocket. When I graduated, was thinking about money, I ain't thinking about college. Christmas coming around, I told Sam put a brick in my stock. Run like Capital One, stick to your face like what's in your wallet. I got 2 cups, 2 hoes, few perks, 2 poles, 1 chop, bank rolls, no ops. Flying out of town when it get hot, breaking down a bag with a ziplock. Fuck the bitch once, tell her kick rock. I'm in double G, me and get guap. I'm my only opponent, money calling, I get on it. I'm in California, fuck your P with a nigga who grown it. Man, these niggas showing it, ask your hoe who the niggas who grown it. I'm a driver foreign, stand up on the pedal like a nigga that stole it. I'm my only opponent, money calling, I get on it. I'm in California, fuck your P with a nigga who grown it. Man, these niggas showing it, ask your hoe who the niggas who blowing it. I'm a rider foreign, stand up on the pedal like a nigga that stole it.
Don't fuck no bitch that fucking with your dog, that law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog, that law. I'm a street nigga, so it's fuck the law. If you broke nigga, that should be against the law. Fuck no bitch that fucking with your dog, that law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog, that law. I'm a street nigga, so it's fuck the law. If you broke nigga, that should be against the law. I'm a real hustler, so don't knock it, that law. It's all about the re-up in the profit, that law. Can't be in the club without no ballers, that law. We gon' ball today, fuck tomorrow, that law. I be in the kitchen whipping, trying to cook the sauce. If you sat down and talk, then nigga you the law. Ball main mannequin, I'm fresher than a dog. I'm so damn fresh, that shit should be against the law. I'm living my life like the rules of the game and they callin' the 48 law. Money with all of my homies, ain't fucking with none of these bros. Hustling just to show out for these bitches, you know. In love but you ain't never got the pussy, you owe. Head on first night, we need to turn that to a law. Love on first sight, man, I don't fuck with that at all. Bitches can't be beefing about no niggas, that law. Hold up, niggas should be beefing over bitches, that's all. Don't fuck no bitch that fucking with your dog, that law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog, that law. I'm a street nigga, so it's fuck the law. If you broke nigga, that should be against the law. Fuck no bitch that fucking with your dog, that law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog, that law. I'm a street nigga, so it's fuck the law. If Few broke niggas that should be against the law. Got gospel ass nigga, news reporter, working with them folks, you on law in order. If your girl getting it, then you must support her. I'm turned up, man, I'm tryna fuck somebody, to daughter. Piecing up on bottles, but don't let me find out. Don't let me find out. Don't let me find out. Them your homegirl shoes, bitch, don't let me find out. Don't let me find out. Don't let me find out. Tryna steal my swag, that copyright infringement. You can't rock out white if your wife be looking dingy. The brokest bitches always tryna say they independent. I'm picking real bitches over bad bitches. Do you feel me?
You see what I'm with? My man was found.